Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your GitHub pages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now all you need to do is just to go to your GitHub repository or to your GitHub repositories. You can do that from uh, here. So you can simply go to your profile. I'm here in the dashboard. So either you can get to your repository from here or you can go to the three line icon and from there you can go to your repositories that you would find in this section, or you can simply go to your profile, you click to your repositories, and from here you will be able to access to your repository, and then you will go get your repository that you have some GitHub pages in it, and basically you can find your GitHub pages in the settings, and simply we can find all this menu here. We click on settings and basically we have many sections. So basically on the code and automation section we would find the pages repository, the pages setting or the GitHub pages settings. So basically, as you can see, I already have a page here, and we can just click on visit site, and I will have this page. And basically, it is not configured since it's not a static page, and etc. And as you can see, we can click on visit sites, and if you want just to delete this page, you will need just to unpublish it. You can simply click on this additional sites option, this 3 points icon. You click on unpublish sites, and by that you will have your page that has been removed totally. Then you can also go to main branch. You go just to none, you save, and by that you won't have any GitHub page that is added into your project. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.